Good morning, kids. It's me again, Teacher Claire. Today is Thursday, and it means that we're going to have science class. So kids, I'm still waiting for your homework for our yesterday class, which is math. Thank you so much for those who already sent me their answers. And I've already put some score for your outputs, so thank you so much. I do appreciate that. And for the rest, please send me your homeworks, and so that I can also check it. Okay? So again, I will be waiting for that. I hope you're doing fine. So today again, it's going to be science, and we are going to learn different kinds of animals. Alright, so I have here some of the animals that you are already familiar with, and many of this maybe you don't know them yet and you haven't seen them yet. That's why we're going to have this lesson so you can see some pictures of these animals, so that if you see them in the future, then you will know what's the name of that animal. Okay, so let's start. Let's learn different kinds of animal. So I have here 20 names of an animal. Don't worry, kids, because I also prepared some pictures for you. So all the animals that I wrote here, I know that you cannot read them, but I want us to practice speaking as well while learning your animals. Okay, so let's do it. So the first one here we have, okay, one moment, I'll just fix it. Okay, so first we have monkey. Monkey. Okay, I think you know what monkey is. So this is a picture of a monkey. Until here. Okay, so this is a monkey. Alright, so let's describe the picture. It's brown. It has a long tail. This is the tail of the monkey. It's very long. And it's very hairy. Right? It has a lot of hair. Okay, so this is a monkey. Monkey. So please repeat after me. Monkey. Okay, great. Next we have number 2. We have your bear. Okay, bear. Look, this is a bear. Bear. Okay, this is a bear. Let's describe the picture. So a bear, it's big, it's brown, though there are different kind of bears. Okay, kids, there are different kind of bears. We also have white bears. They are what we call polar bears. They live in a cold places. Okay, but this bear is brown and big. Okay, so this is a bear. Alright, moving on. Let's have number 3. Elephant. Okay, this one you're very familiar. So elephant is one of the biggest animal in the world. I said one of. So there's still a lot of big animals, and elephant is one of them. Alright, so say it again, kids. Elephant. Alright, so let's describe. It's big. It has a long nose. So this is the nose of the elephant. It has a wide, big ears. And in color, we can say it's grayish, black grayish. So elephant. I haven't seen an elephant yet. We don't have elephants. Okay, so elephant. Say it again, elephant. Okay, number 4, we have lion. Lion. Lion looks like this. So lion, they say, is the king of the jungle because they're very strong and very dangerous. So lion, it can be big too, It's brown in color, and they don't look scary, but they are dangerous because they eat meat. Okay, that's why they are dangerous, because they can eat human, right? So that's lion. Next we have your panda. Oh, I like panda. Panda. Okay, this is a panda. Okay, there's very few panda around the world, so we can just count the numbers of panda around the world, so we need to take care of them. So if you see a panda, you will be very lucky, kids. Okay, so that's panda. Let's just give some few descriptions of these animals. So panda, they like to eat bamboo, so they are actually vegetarians. And in color, they're black and white, and they can be very big and cuddly. Oh, they're so cute. I like pandas. Okay, so I hope to see panda too in the future. So again, P for panda. Next we have this animal. Okay, this is number 6. We have your deer. Deer. Okay, deer. If you know Santa Claus. Okay, deer. For the deer, they're very fast when it comes to running, and they can be quite dangerous as well, especially if you mess with them, if you bully them. Okay, so be careful when you see deer, because we also have wild deers. Okay, so it's brown in color with some white spots. So that's your deer, and look at that. It's very nice, and I think this one is they use this to protect themselves as well. Okay, next we have your giraffe. Okay, giraffe, it is a zoo animal, meaning normally we see them at the zoo or in the jungle. Yeah, it has a very long neck, as you can see, and they're very tall as well because they have long legs. Okay, so that's your giraffe. Okay, say it again. Giraffe. They like to eat leaves. Okay, so let's have your next one is gorilla. Okay, this is a mammal. They don't say it's a monkey again, kids, because they have different looks when it compared to monkey. So for gorilla, they can be bigger than monkeys. They don't really have long tails like the monkeys. Gorilla, they're very strong as well, and in color, it's normally black with gray. Okay, so that's your gorilla. So this is not a monkey, kids, not a monkey. This is a gorilla. Okay, next. Okay, we have your tiger. All right, so tigers, it's a family of cats. So if you have cats at home, they belong in the same family. Okay, so tigers and cats, they're one kind of animal. They are the same family. But tigers, they're very dangerous. They eat meat, so they can also eat humans. If you feed them human flesh, they can eat that. So be careful. That's why we don't have tigers at home, because they are zoo animals. It's better for them to be in the jungle or in the forest. Okay, right, so that's your tiger. All right, so it's brown with some stripes and long tail. All right, good. So that's we have one more here. Number 10, we have your zebra. Okay, zebra, they can run fast, but not too fast, and it's black and white. but it's not the same with Panda. Panda is black and white. This is also black and white, but if you see, it has a the body. It has a stripe design in black and white color, and they look different, kids, right? So this is a zebra, a zoo animal as well. So I'll just show you very quick the difference between a monkey and a gorilla. Wait. Okay, so again, there's a difference between a monkey and a gorilla. So let's compare. So again, a monkey, it has a long tail. It's brown, it's smaller. For gorilla, it's big. It doesn't have a very long tail, and it's black with some gray colors. Okay, and they're bigger. So that's the difference of monkey and gorilla. There's different kinds of this kind of animals. So just for you to see the difference. Okay? So don't say this is monkey and this is also monkey. This is gorilla and this is a monkey. Alright? Kids, so that's just 10 of the animals. Let's just finish everything. So we'll move on to number 11. It's very long. Okay, number 11, we have your... Okay, this is a new animal for you, I guess. So this is a raccoon. Raccoon. Alright, they look very cute. Okay, it looks like a cat. It has a very nice tail, if you can see it. Very nice tail, and it looks like a cat. Alright, so how do you say it? Raccoon. 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 Okay, next we have your dangerous animal too. So this one, it looks like a dog, but it's not a dog. We call it hyena. Hyena. They are also dangerous because they eat meat. They eat meat. So we call it hyena. It's brown in color, but some hyenas, they're grayish color. So that's your hyena, and they have very long pointed teeth. It's for them to easily chew meats. Okay, so that's your hyena. Hyena. Next, we have number 13, the big animal. Okay, they normally live, they can survive, or they really like taking a bath. They like to staying in taking a bath. They love water. Okay, but they can also live inland, right? So that's your hippopotamus. Hippo. But normally, for you to eat, if you say hippo, we can people also know that name, the shortcut for hippopotamus, because it's very long. So you can say hippo, hippopotamus. Okay, they're very big as well, big animal. Okay, and they like to eat fruits. They eat fruits and fish. They can also eat fish. Right, so hippo. Next, we have your camel. Camel. Okay, for camel, it's big. It's a big animal. It has a bumpy back. In hot places, we can find them in the Middle East, and they use it for transportation from one place to another place. Okay, I hope you understand that. So they can survive in hot places. Okay, and they're very big. Alright, so what do we call it again? Camel. 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 Next, we have number 15, koala. 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 Okay, that's very long. Okay, that's koala. It's grayish in color. They normally stay up on the trees. They hug trees and stay there. They're very cute. They have a round eyes, which is very nice. Okay, and they're very cute actually. So we call them koala. Alright, number 16. 5 more to go. We have your kangaroo. Kangaroo. Okay, for kangaroo, they're very, very fast runner. They can run very fast. They have a very long tail, and you know, they can keep their children inside their tummy, the belly. They have a very small space where they can put their babies. Okay, this is I think for me kids, this is an amazing and incredible animal. Kangaroo. Okay, so say it again. Kangaroo. 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 Next we have your fox. Fox. They look like a small dog, but they're not dog, okay? Fox. It has a long tail as well. Normally they're brown in color, brown yellow to orange color mixed. Alright, so what do we call it again? Fox. Fox. Next we have your wolf. Wolf. Okay. This is also a dangerous animal, especially if you bully them. So we should not have this animal at home, okay? Let's leave them in the forest, in the jungle. Okay, so what do we call this? Wolf. Wolf. Next we have your, okay, this one is very cute too. This is a squirrel. 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 Okay, they're very cute. They has a very furry and hairy tail. They're very small. Okay, not very small, but they're kind of small. Not too big animal, but they're very cute. They also love to eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, that's your squirrel. Squirrel. And lastly, kids, we have your bat. There are different kinds of bat. We have the wild bats, which is black in color. Okay, but right now let's discuss this bat. It's brown in color. They normally go out, or they normally stay inside the caves during the day because they cannot really see during the day, but during the night they can see very clearly. That's why in the evening they tend to come out from the cave, and in the during the day they just sleep. Okay, so if you can see, they hang themselves. Bat. They have very long pointed teeth as well. Okay, all right, so that's your animals, kids. It's quite long video, but I just want to show you some new animals that you are not familiar. I'm back, kids. It's time for some practice. I hope that you can remember the animals that we learned today. I think there are animals that you saw for the first time. It's good to know them, okay? Because there's a lot of animals, but it's good to know these animals too for beginners, okay? So I prepared here some activity. We will answer this together, and then I'll give you this to answer. So no need to draw the animals, kids. It's gonna be difficult for you, so I will just take a picture of this and then send you, and then you can just draw a straight line to complete the activity. So for now, let's do this. Please help me answer, okay? So this side, we have the pictures of your animals. We have bear, giraffe, panda, deer, and elephant. In here, we have the name of the animals. I know that you cannot read them. I know that you don't remember them as well. So I will read it first, and then you help me answer it. Okay, so again, the same drill. Use your finger to point your answers. All right, let's start. So this is a bear. 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 So I'll read these words. Bear, elephant, panda, deer, giraffe. So what's your answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? 1, 2, 3. The answer is number 1. Good. So let's draw a straight line. Next we have this animal. It has a long neck and it has a long legs. We call it giraffe. I'll read the options. Bear, elephant, panda, deer, giraffe. Alright, so again, this is a giraffe. The answer is number 5, right? So let's draw a line. Okay, next, panda. It is a cute, cuddly animal which is black and white. But you know, kids, when these pandas are born, the color is pink. It is color pink, but when they grow, it becomes black and white. So that's panda. So I'll read the options: bear, elephant, panda, deer, and giraffe. So the answer is 1, 2, or 3. Number 3. That's right. So let's draw a line. Alright, next, look, this is a deer. Deer. They're very fast when it comes to running as well. Okay, deer, deer. Okay, so I'll read the options: bear, panda, bear, elephant, panda, deer, and giraffe. The answer is number 4, deer. Again, kids, listen carefully. Okay, so next, I know you know this. This is a big animal. It's an amazing animal as well because they are very sweet, yet sometimes they can be very dangerous as well, but they are very helpful animal. So we have your elephant, bear, elephant, panda, deer, giraffe. The answer is number 2. Okay, so let's draw a line there. Alright, so let's say it again. This is a bear, giraffe, panda, deer, and elephant. Alright, kids, so that's how you're going to do this. Again, let's move on to this part. This will be your practice. So what are you going to do is the same thing. You're going to follow what we just did here. So I already gave you an example. Again, I will be sending you a picture and then you just save the picture and then draw a line to your answer. So let's just read. We have your lion, bat, squirrel, raccoon, zebra, tiger, gorilla, wolf, kangaroo, and koala. So for you to remember, you need to go back to the first video so you can, so that it would be easier for you to answer this practice. Okay, so kids, that's for your practice. I'll see you later and I'll give you a very quick and easy homework. So I'll see you later. Okay, kids, it's time for homework. It's gonna be quick and easy. For your homework, I chose 5 pictures of animals. All you need to do is to say what animal are these, okay? In here, on the side, we have 5 here and then 5 here. If you want to make a video and say the names of these animals, that would be very great. But I'm just asking you, it's okay for me, you can just do 5 of them. So we have your panda, elephant, tiger, koala, and kangaroo. So all you need to do is to take a video or record a video saying the names of these 5 animals, and that's it. That's for your homework. Now if you want to say the names of these animals, that would be much better. Alright, so kids, that's your homework. I will wait for your I will wait for your video or your recordings, so I know if you are saying the name of the animal correctly, because you might say this is a cat or this is a dog. So again, kids, I'll wait for your video. Please try to practice and then I'll check your videos later on. So I'll see you again on Friday. Take care. Bye.